Hi, I'm Howard Fleischman Sr. with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair. Today I want to talk to you about a driveway checkup on your vehicle as we pull out of the COVID-19. You're going to start using your car more, or maybe you haven't been driving it, and all some basic things you need to do. But first, let's start with this. Who knows what these are? If you do, that means you're in my age bracket, and you should be staying home until this thing is completely over with. So the first things you want to do is pop the hood, check your oil. If your oil is within a half a quart of being full, you're fine. Then you may want to check the radiator fluid, make sure that the radiator is up to snuff, make sure that you've got enough fluid in it, because you want to do that before it's warm. You want to do that when the vehicle's cold. Then check your transmission, but you may want to go to your owner's manual. Most transmissions require that you start the car and run it, but you need to check your owner's manual to be sure. Then the basic stuff, check your brake fluid. It's usually marked on the outside of the canister like this. If it is, you're set. And then also you want to check your fluid for your power steering and your fluid for your wiper and windshield cleaner. Next step is you want to check your tire pressure and your tire condition. So turn your steering wheel to the left or to the right where you can see the whole tire and see that you've got good tread to drive on. Then take a pressure gauge, go to the door jamb and look and see what the proper pressure is for your vehicle. On the side of the tire they have a tire pressure. It has nothing to do with your vehicle. That's a maximum tire pressure for that tire under maximum load. That is not where you want to set it. Set it to manufacturer's specifications. So when you're checking your wiper blades, make sure that the rubber is somewhat soft and pliable, because if it's not, it could get ripped off like this does, and below that is metal. And that metal can cost you a lot of money by scratching that windshield. It's a quick check. You want to change your wiper blades twice a year in Arizona. Okay, now let's talk about some of the basics that you're going to be looking at when you start looking at your air conditioning. First thing is the belt. Today we run a serpentine belt. They run much longer. But when you see them start cracking like this, you can know that it's coming to an end. Something you can check yourself. Also check in front of the radiator to see if you've picked anything up. These plastic bags along the freeway, we see it all the time. Car comes in, it's overheating, it's not cooling again, and we find it's got a plastic bag over the radiator or a plastic bag caught in the fan. In this case, the fan was broken into pieces. We kept hearing the noise. We finally identified that it was coming from the fan. So again, very easy inspection. It's all visual, but take the time to check it out.